What's up guys, welcome original. Why video editing is important? Because it is the key to blending images and sounds to make us feel emotionally connected and sometimes truly there in the film we are watching. That is why video editing is among the important jobs in the film industry. But what if you are not a professional in video editing and got no knowledge in using softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, and you have to edit your kid's first birthday video clips on your iPhone or iPad? Then this video is for you. I'll show you the 5 video editing tips for iOS devices. Before we get to the video, please leave like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's start the intro. First app is KineMaster. KineMaster is a fully featured professional video editing app for iOS and Android devices. It supports multiple layers of video, audio, images, text, and effects. It is equipped with a variety of tools that let us create high quality, and you can do simple video editing too. The second app on this list is VideoShop. VideoShop is a free and easy video editor with fast editing tools, filters, and many other effects for personalizing your videos. And the third app on this list is InShot. InShot app is an all-in-one visual content editing app. It allows you to create videos, edit photos, and create image collages. The app has plenty of features too. You can trim clips, change the speed of footage, and add filters, music, and text. And this app is kind of similar to the KineMaster, but with little bit of a different interface. The fourth app is VideoRama, where this app is a newly launched app which aims to solve that problem by offering a powerful video editor that's also super simple. You don't need to be a video pro in order to do things like trim videos, add text overlays, music, or special effects. And the fifth app on this list is iMovie. iMovie is a video editing app developed by Apple for macOS, iOS, and iPadOS devices. This is the easiest of these 5 video editor apps. In this app, you can do simple video editings like movie, or you can do a trailer video. When you go inside the section, you have a few templates and you can play around with the settings and you'll get a professional trailer. Hope you all like this video, and if you need a tutorial on how to use one of these apps for simple video editing, please leave a comment below which you want to learn, and I'll see you in the next video.